Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we have got another great shave for you today. In my opinion, I forgot how much I love this scent, guys. I was like, what am I going to shave with? And I chose this last night. It's late at night again. And I put everything in the bowl and let it sit out. And I got caught up in The Witcher, guys, and we pretty much watched 2 seasons in 2 days. I mean, it snowed in Nashville. Nashville's been pretty much shut down for 2 days. UPS was at least. So the soap. Do y'all want to see the soap? Soap. Weinstrasse, which I believe is Weinstrasse in German. Dude, this is a banging scent. I'll take the time. Scent notes will go up right here. Oh man, it's kind of grapey, honey-like with sweetness. Maybe some floral, a little bit of floral going on, maybe some neroli. I don't know, not looking at scent notes, just telling you what I get when I smell it. And it's great, man. This is Chatillon Luxe, however he says it. I don't know, man. I've looked it up online. There's a couple of different pronunciations. I don't care. So, and I think the way he does it is different from traditional French, so I don't know. Or the way he pronounces it. But this is a good one. We have the matching splash, and the ones that was actually made by Chatillon Luxe instead of Declaration Grooming. Very nice scent. We got it, of course, lathered up in the old Captain's Choice. And guys, I'm a little disappointed. I busted this out, my El Druida. And it's a nice brush, and I'm really careful with it because you can tell it's tinctured briarwood and black African wood up at the top for the ferrule. But the ferrule is, let's see if y'all can see it. Y'all see it moving at all? It's starting to loosen up while I was lathering. After I'm done with this tonight, I may see if I can pull it out and just set it with epoxy myself. So that's a little frustrating. I do love this brush. All in all, it was an easy process. I told him what I wanted. He said, okay, I can do it. Here is the price. I paid him, and a few months later, I received it in the mail. So, El Druida brushes are nice. This is a little off-putting, to tell you the truth. Can y'all hear it? Y'all hear that? Now, does that help? You can hear the looseness a little? I can. We haven't shaved in a while. I'm on vacation. I was going to work Wednesday and Thursday and get the kids, but Rona's been going on. They're quarantined. Snowed Thursday. UPS didn't run. Today I had an appointment Friday at the dentist office, and they didn't open today. I did reschedule my appointment for Tuesday. I'm going to go into work tomorrow, help UPS out, get that extra day in like I had planned. You know, even though I'm on vacation, we're trying to still kind of get ahead in life, make a little extra cash. I'm not doing anything if I don't have the kids. And UPS is going to need me this next week, being shut down 2 days. I'm working tomorrow. We won't run business. It'll probably be just residential. I don't know. They may run business because back roads really aren't going to be. Residential roads are still going to be pretty slick. Ooh, we got some blooping going on. So I guess we're good to go. But, yeah, we'll work it. Money to be made. Then I'll get the kids for 4 or 5 days, and that's awesome. So, we are using Feather Artist Club with the soft guards. I don't like the soft guards, I remember. But we'll see if I like them today. Excuse me. I just wanted to put them in. I just don't feel like it's an efficient blade whatsoever. Way too much buffing involved, but I've never used it in this. I've used it in safety razors, so. Yeah, it's just not an edge I like. There's just a lot of hair. like straight razor edges I prefer are more efficient than this. It's just, it doesn't have a great efficiency. I'm sure it's sharp, but it's got teeth on the blade. It's not as efficient as I'd like it to be. Nice. Hair growth is long enough. I mean, we're talking like 3 or 4 days, guys. Probably 4. I think I shaved Tuesday night. It's Friday night. 3. Now this isn't a dig, take it how you would, but like, just in reference, I was just thinking about it, like, Stallion likes a buttery edge. I wouldn't say his is like the sharpest, but like this one, like Stallion doesn't like shavettes, they're just crazy sharp. I think he would like this blade. That's what I'm saying. Just because it isn't one of those crazy sharp shavette blades. It shaves a lot more like a straight razor in my opinion. That's just me talking, guys, like as I'm going through the shave, haven't used one in a while. So take what I'm saying how you want. Hopefully y'all understand what I'm saying. See, I'm even face lathering it in just to be more aggressive on this handle. See if I can knock this furl out. Just epoxy the damn thing myself. That's going to trigger me. I think this brush was like 130 with the knot, and the knot came with it. And if I was going to compare it to any other knot, I'm not a Badger aficionado. But let's say Badger aficionado. But it's kind of like a Maggard's SHD, if I could compare it to anything. Remember, my left hand sucks. Left hand has like 0 coordination. But no. That's nice. I just like getting those really good strokes. Everything's feeling good, guys. Like, it's actually a really comfortable shave. And you know, normally I'm a guy that loves a super sharp straight razor. Like, this is a very, very comfortable edge. I like it. Like, I did not like it in the Artist Club safety razors. But in this, it's pleasing. But I think one of them I was using it in was the Hawk V2 or V3. And it like specifically tells you they don't recommend it, but ingrown hair there, guys. Or a blemish. Pimple or whatever, but I pulled 2 ingrowns out down here today. So it's always a possibility. And guys, I wasn't talking about it much. Nice. But this scent, it banged the entire time. Like, I kid you not, guys. That was a banging scent. Let's see if I can show it off a little. Do y'all see how it's kind of serrated right there? Looks super scary, but it's a lot less menacing feeling on the face than some sharp stuff. And I say menacing, it depends what you prefer, what you like. It's really hard to call it one or the other. But I'm going to rinse up and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. Y'all going to love my shave of the day. Like, y'all already know how this video is going to go when you see my shave of the day. So we're going to do the splash. So I think the scent's still available. If it is, wherever it's available, I will link it. But if you do get it, you're probably not going to get this exact splash. And I don't even think this is like a big bottle of splash. It's only a 2-ounce bottle, guys. You know, normally we're used to those 4-ounce bottles or whatever they are. 100 ml bottles. So 3.3, 3.4. Oh, just scent-wise, man, this is heavenly. This is the aftershave that they did, not the toner. Chatillon Luke's, when they did come out, they would come out with toner and aftershave. I had the aftershave. I had the toner in 88 Chestnut Street. But guys, I recommend this scent. It is up there. It's a banger. It's strong. It lasts. It fills the restroom. Like, this is a scent. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. All right, guys, so let's look at what we used. The soft guards, guys. I actually enjoyed it in the shave head. I'm a little surprised. There we go. Looks good. And onto the brush. So there's part of the handle. Y'all see the handle right there? Yeah, I was drying it off on the towel and it got looser. It got more loose. And and it came out nicely. So I'm probably going to rough it up a little with some sandpaper. Take my little, still a tight fit. So I won't Dremel inside here or anything, but I will sand this and I will sand down here just to rough it up a little. We'll put a little epoxy and put it back together and hope it works out, right guys? But as y'all will see, my shave of the day will not be the completed handle. All right, guys, thank you. Going to work in the morning. Gonna go to bed right after this. So I'll lay in bed and try to catch up on comments from the last few videos. So, all right, y'all have a good one, and thank you for hanging this long.